guys, welcome back to a brand new video, and we're back here with League Racing on iRacing on the NXTGP Mazda MX-5 class. In the last video it went pretty well, there was a lot of chaos and it paid off because currently we are P4 in championship, as you can see, out of 31 drivers, which is actually crazy because this field is really competitive with a lot of guys with 3 to 4k iRating, and I'm more like towards 2k iRating. So that's something unexpected to say the least, not deserved. I drove really consistently and some of my rivals crashed, which I was lucky with. But yeah, since we're into the championship fight, let's see if we can continue doing that. There are 2 more rounds after this round, so if you get a good result here, who knows, even though we have less iRating, we're still in the lead, or like, yeah, in the fight for the championship. As I said in the previous video as well, I had a real life race lately and I'm going to upload the onboard footage soon, so that's coming as well. But for now, without further ado, let's jump straight into the qualifying. Yes guys, we are into the qualifying session, and yeah, since... Oh shit. Oh my god. Nice start. What I wanted to say is Zolder is typically not a track where you have much slipstream. So I'm now going out early. We have 15 minutes to go. I'm just trying to go to get free space, warm up the tires well, and then just keep on pushing to get a good lap in. So yeah, with that being said, let's see what lap we can get in, guys. Oh my god. P9? Oh my god. Expected a much better improvement. A 146.1 is my PB, so actually quite close to it. Let's see if we can improve, guys, because we're only 1/10 of the guy in front, so... Nice! Good stuff, good stuff. Not that good of an exit there. I went a little bit too fast into that corner. Yes, let's go, guys. Come on. 2.5 tenths. P7, lovely stuff. Alright guys, let's see, P7. We have actually some other cars really close to us. I think it's going to be hard to try to keep up with this pack here, but yeah, I'm happy with this qualifying position, guys. So let's see what we can do in the race and survive lap 1, because trust me, it's going to be crazy.
Green flag, green flag.
I'm driving really careful since we have cold tires, but good first lap. That's what I mean when you drive with cold tires. Oh! Oh my god. Oh, someone's out. Oh wow, that was crazy. Okay, I think tires are quite warmed up now. We survived the first lap. Let's focus on from here. Ooh, and someone has a penalty. Let's try to follow him around and stay in his slipstream. Oh, the car in front made a mistake again.
Clear on the right.
Yeah, I'm going for it. I have too much overspeed.
Car on your left. Clear.
Really nice overtake, lovely. But I think he had a penalty or something because he slowed down a lot. Oh no.
Car right. Keep to the left. Stay on the left.
Yeah.
Clear.
We gotta let him go.
Clear.
Sorry for the guy behind me with damage.
Car right. Stay on the left. Clear on the right.
Oh.
Slow down. You got a penalty. We're cutting the course. Car right.
Oh yeah, that was just dumb. That was totally my mistake. I thought he was going to send it and then I braked way too late. Just really stupid for me. But guys, they're having a bad exit here. And we have quite a big gap from behind, so we should be around the top 10 still. So I think we have all to play for. It was a dumb mistake, but we can still get back from this. Especially since they are fighting really hard. Oh, wow. Yeah, they're not playing. Oh, watch out. Yeah, bye, guys.
Go left.
I could already see that from a mile away that was going wrong. They were pushing so hard. Now into P6. Let's try to pressure the guy in front here, Bas Straten. That's something that can cost you a lot as well. Wow, there's so much grapple here. That's crazy. I don't like this, it's costing me a lot of time. And the car behind can catch up now.
Car right. Still there. Keep to the left. Stay on the left.
Wow, nice spare metal. Oh, I think he got a penalty. Because he has to slow down.
You're back in fifth.
Let's go, guys. Lovely stuff. Let's push from here. That was actually such an amusing battle. Wow. I just noticed one thing. Two things. One is that my delta wasn't shown. And two is that it would be really nice to see the exact delta with the cars behind. So I really gotta look into that after this league race too. See if I can fix that. Because that's way more valuable to see if the gap increases or not.
Right side. Keep to the left.
What? No way. It must have cut the course there. No way he got me through that.
Clear on the right. Car on your left. Clear on the left. Left side. Stay on the right.
Ah, no,
Clear on
man.
the left. Car right. Still there. Hold your line. Stay on the left. Keep to the left.
Fuck, man. Ah, shit. Oh, sorry for my language, guys. I'm just so disappointed in myself. Oh, no, man.
All right. There's the checkered flag.
I ruined 2 positions. I braked way too late for that tricky chicane. And then he closed in. Oh, guys, I actually feel so sad. We actually drove one of my best races because I was really consistent. Didn't make any mistake until the last lap. And I think those guys were slightly faster than me. Oh, shit. Oh, Alright guys, we are into race 2. Not really happy with the previous race. Was a mistake on my end. One of the little because we drove really consistently. For now I'm happy that we start quite up front to stay out of the chaos. But yeah, let's try to survive lap 1 again. Oh, and we're starting. Let's go guys.
Green flag, green flag.
Oh, what? Someone was standing still. Oh, cold tires. Gotta be really careful here with the cold tires. Especially this turn can be so, like, tough without grip. These two are going to battle it out. Oh, he got a penalty probably. P2 it is, guys.
There's an incident behind.
Uh-oh. That's good for us, though.
There's an incident behind.
Ah, still a bit of cold tires. No grip. I'm going really slow through here. Not optimal. We have quite a big gap to the other cars. Like the place 4 and beyond that, so that's good. Let's focus now to try to close the gap, guys. Oh.
Left side, clear.
Yeah, that's a bit of a shame. Let's focus. I took too much curb there. But now I'm not going to fight the guy up front. Because we want to close the gap. And otherwise the cars behind would just close in and make it tough for us. So I'm not going to attack him, and I hope he understands then that I'll just let him go. The race is long enough and we're close, so we can fight him eventually later, so. But yeah, if he keeps making his mistakes, I need to overtake him. Sorry, but you're losing me time.
Right side. Still there, hold your line.
I think he'll let me go.
Keep to the left. Clear.
Yeah, I could have stayed behind him, but I had the idea that he didn't understand that I'm not going to attack him. And he was really nervous, he was losing me a lot of time. Oh shit. The guys behind are closing in really fast, but they're all faster drivers, so doesn't surprise me too much. Oh, yeah, they're fighting, I think. Please fight.
The car in P3 just set the fastest lap. 45.657.
The car behind is actually a buddy of mine, and I know he's fast because he's one of the fastest driver in this league. So if he comes close, of course I'm pushing as hard as I can. I'm just letting him go because it wouldn't make sense to fight him.
Left side. Clear. Car right. Clear on the right. Right side.
I didn't expect him to attack. Oh, no, guys. That's cost me a lot of positions. But yeah, to be honest, those guys are just faster than me, so let's try to stay within this group, stay in their slipstream, and try to get away with them, because there's a guy behind. I think it's going to be really interesting to see if they can catch up to the leader, because I think they have the pace to do it, and it seems like they're working together. Oh, what? I think he might have got the penalty. Oh, I gotta watch out with the off tracks now because it's getting a little bit too much. Oh, I'm actually pushing so hard to try to keep up with these guys, but they're fast. I think once again 2 more laps, guys. Oh, he's going for it. Send it. This is fun. We're with 5 cars so close. Oh shit. Oh fuck.
Go left.
Oh no. Oh, Akas, I'm so sorry. Fuck. I'm such an idiot. Oh, I was distracted because of that guy braking and had a really bad exit. Oh fuck. It's actually the second time I took Kas out. Are you kidding me? Oh guys, P3, but yeah, it's not a deserved one at all. Oh, I still hope that Cas finished P6. Let's see if he finishes P6. If he comes by. Yeah, there he is. Okay, before I'm going to record the outro, I'm going to apologize to Cas because, yeah, this sucked. Oh my god. Okay, guys, so this is my setup and this is the aftermath of the race. Nice. Yes, guys, so the first thing I'm going to take into account is that I'm not going to wear a hoodie anymore during 2 league races because, yeah, then it's getting so hot. It's crazy. But yeah, I think we can look back at a good race. Talked with Cas and fortunately it was okay with it. It will be fair if I get a penalty for that. I'm not sure what the stewards are going to do with that. Cas said he didn't even was going to appeal, so we'll see about that. Really sportive of him again. I think we actually took Cas out in Spa-Francorchamps as well. So I feel really bad for him. And it was just an incident because you can see in the replay that I braked way too late, but it was really hard to tell my braking point because you look at the curbs, like the distance to the curbs to determine your braking point. It was completely blocked by the car in front and he distracted me a bit and then, yeah, chaos occurred. So once again, really sorry to Cas. I really tried to race clean because that's the beautiful thing about league racing, competitive racing, of course. And I think after all, we made some mistakes, which I really need to work on, but I'm actually happy with the P3 and a P7 in this competitive league. We started with P4 in the standings. I'm really curious about which position we'll be into the next round. I'll definitely share that with you guys. And if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. Please let me know if you have any feedback, how I can improve my videos, what you guys would like to see, so I can just work on that. And for now, thank you guys once again and see you until the next one. Ciao.